So this one's gonna be on how to be able to fix an error that you might get on VirtualBox, especially after you have enabled your virtualization through the BIOS. So by default, I think it enables also Hyper-V or something. It has to do something with Hyper-V, but more than likely when you're trying to install any even Linux, I think, or I'm sorry, Windows 7 on VirtualBox is gonna give you this error here. So to be able to get rid of that, what you would do is go ahead and open up the command prompt. And here what you want to do, first of all, you want to make sure that you open it as administrator, so just click on it and run as administrator. Okay, so just click on it and run as administrator, and then here you want to go ahead and paste the following. So it's a bcd edit and then dash set and then hypervisor launch type and then space off. Go ahead and press enter, and then once you press enter, go ahead and restart your computer, and then that's it. Should go ahead and fix that problem. So that's it for now. Bye.